In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PHP version in Cloudways. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail that confuses a lot of users. In Cloudways, the PHP version is managed at the server level, not separately for each individual application. So if you've been looking inside a single app's settings and wondering where the PHP switch is, that's why you haven't found it. When you change the PHP version, it can affect every website hosted on that same server, so it's worth taking a careful, prepared approach. The first thing you should do is a quick pre-flight check. Start by creating a fresh backup from your Cloudways applications area. Open backup and restore and run a manual backup so you have a recent restore point for both files and databases. That way, if anything goes wrong after the version change, you have a safety net ready. If your site runs on WordPress, also make sure WordPress core, your theme, and all plugins are fully updated. Older code can sometimes break on newer PHP versions, so this step helps reduce compatibility issues. Once that's done, log into your Cloudways platform dashboard and go to the servers section from the top navigation. From there, choose the server that hosts the website you want to work on. Remember, you're selecting the server itself, not just the application. Now, in the left-hand menu, open Settings and Packages. At the top of that page, click the Packages tab. In the PHP row, you'll see the version your server is currently using. Click Modify, then open the drop-down and choose the PHP version you want. For example, you might move up to PHP 8.3 or select PHP 8.4 if your setup supports it. After that, click Save Changes. Cloudways will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to change the PHP version. Go ahead and confirm to start the update. At this point, Cloudways handles the process automatically in the background. It updates the PHP packages and restarts the necessary services for you. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. During that short window, your site may briefly show a service unavailable message, so it's best to do this during low traffic hours. When the update is complete, you should see a success message in the dashboard. Don't stop there. Open an incognito window and visit your live site. Check key pages, test forms, try a sample transaction if you run an online store, and log into your admin dashboard. You also want to confirm there are no obvious errors and that everything loads normally after the PHP change. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.